It's a bloodbath.
What the hell happened? What the hell happened?
Bitcoin's down about 12% and almost every other cryptocurrency is deep in the red.
You gotta be kidding me.
The latest Federal Reserve comments and market conditions seem to be pushing the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the entire crypto market lower and lower and lower.
Why won't it stop?
So what's going on? Why the sudden drop? First, let's talk about the big picture.
We know that reducing policy restraint too fast or too much could hinder progress on inflation.
The Fed's recent statements have been sending a clear message that they're still laser focused on fighting inflation and reaching that 2% target.
If the economy remains strong and inflation does not continue to move sustainably toward 2%, we can dial back policy restraint more slowly.
This might not sound like direct crypto news, but trust me, it matters. When the Fed signals it's not going to let up on inflation, they mean they're not going to slash interest rates anytime soon, and investors around the world start to play it safe. They move their money into less risky investments.
It's like my mama always said, better safe than sorry.
Remember, Bitcoin and other cryptos are considered riskier assets, so when the market's in risk-off mode, crypto usually takes a hit. On top of that, the Fed recently hinted that there will be fewer rate cuts in the future than previously expected.
What does that even mean?
Fewer rate cuts often means a stronger US dollar, and when the dollar's stronger, investors don't feel as much pressure to put their money into alternative assets like Bitcoin.
Need to take risks.
A strong dollar environment can make crypto less attractive, dragging the prices down lower. So we've got a hawkish Fed and a stronger dollar. Both of these are headwinds for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. Essentially, these conditions create a tougher environment for speculative investments.
You're not making this easy on me, boy.
Now let's address another point. Within his speech, Fed Chair Jerome Powell recently iterated that the Federal Reserve does not hold Bitcoin and has no plans to start.
We're not allowed to own Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve Act says what we can own, and we're not looking for a law change. That's the kind of thing for Congress to consider, but we are not looking for a law change at the Fed.
While this is contradictory to Donald Trump's recent comments, it might not come as a huge surprise.
The United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world.
No one really expected the Fed to already have a plan in place for this strategic Bitcoin reserve. And it does remind us that there's no direct support from the central bank, yet. Without any formal official nod of approval, Bitcoin remains an outsider asset. No matter what Trump says, he's not in office yet.
Crypto is going to define the future. I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA.
For investors, the mixed signals add a layer of uncertainty. So how does this all tie together?
Just give it to me straight.
The Fed stance is making investors cautious. They see higher interest rates sticking around, the dollar strengthening, and no direct central bank endorsement for crypto. Combine that with any short-term selling pressure, profit-taking, or even technical chart levels being broken, and you get a recipe for a sharp pullback.
If it's going down, it's gonna go down here.
As a result, we're seeing a 12% drop in Bitcoin's price and a sea of red across the board. And it's not just Bitcoin. When the market mood sours, altcoins often feel the pain more acutely. After all, if Bitcoin, crypto's gold standard, is struggling, investor confidence in riskier altcoins tends to vanish even faster. Now, does this mean crypto's long-term future is doomed? In short, the answer is no. Markets go through cycles, and we see larger corrections than this all the time, particularly during bull cycles.
Hey, everybody just calm down.
But in the short term, the Fed's hawkish stance, the stronger dollar, and no direct institutional backstops are creating downward pressure. We're still early in the bull run though, and the medium to longer term outlook is still bullish. If you are concerned and you're looking for a way to manage your risk, then remember to check out Algo. Algo is a free, no-code automated trading software where you can build, backtest, and run automated trading strategies on your exchange accounts. I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, remember this isn't financial advice, it's just the current state of play. Stay informed and keep an eye on the global macroeconomic news, and consider all of these factors when making your decisions. That's it for today. If you found this explanation helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and let me know in the comments, how are you feeling about the market right now? Thanks for watching, stay safe, happy trading, see you next time.